What's better than having a good organic food? I'm just going to harvest some beans from my terrace garden and just going to cook and eat. And if you like to watch this kind of stuffs, please subscribe to our channel. There are many videos like this, and keep watching, keep supporting. I'm just chopping these beans into fine pieces and going to just boil it for some time. I'm adding pinch of salt and adding 1 teaspoon of dal and I'm just going to allow this to boil for another 10 minutes. And it's fully boiled. I'm just going to keep it away. And in a pan, I just take a oil and fry it a little onion and add some chili powder and adding this boiled beans. I'm just going to give a stir. And it's very tasty and very healthy, and you also can grow this kind of beans in your garden. And if you like to watch more garden stuffs, please do check our garden channel. I just give the link in the description below. And if you like to watch more cooking videos, please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye from your Shaktivel, and have a good life.